ती आज आपल्याला इंग्रजीमधून नॅशनल फ्लॅग तिरंगा याविषयी माहिती सांगणार जोरदार टाळ्यांनी स्वागत करूया. Namaste, good morning, Honorable President, the Chief Guest, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Pooja Shwasat and I am in Standard 4. My school name is ZP School Kuchakarwadi, Tehsil Atpadi, District Sangli. Today we are to celebrate our Independence Day. Wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to tell something about our national flag Tiranga. So I am request to all of you to keep silence and cooperate me. The Tiranga, also known as the tricolor flag. The Tiranga is very special to all of us in India. It has three beautiful colors: orange at the top, white at the middle, and green at the bottom. Blue wheel. This wheel is called Ashok Chakra. The Tiranga symbol of our country's freedom, unity, freedom. I take a leave. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.